Hi guys, welcome back to the Artificer channel, and as promised I have for you today the North Vietnamese army. This is the other kit that I found from Orion Figures. It's specialized in the Vietnam War, and as you can see on the back there is a lot of interesting poses and a lot of weaponry. And also you've got some pretty cool features like the flags. So let's have a look inside and see what it's like. Now inside the bag, as always, you get a repeat of the same type of figures. And with this one today, looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to say, looking at these figures, they're quite exciting. I think these are really some of the best ones I've seen so far. The detailing looks really good. As you can zoom in there, you've got nice helmet detail, clear AK-47 detail, you've got an SKS which looks a little bit weird, you've got a really interesting officer, you've got a radio man there. I'm going to cut off the antenna, you can make that a lot thinner. And also you've got the RPG units there as well. Machine gun there looks a little bit like a rifle that has just a tripod stuck on top of it and a giant drum. I'm guessing that's an RPD, but that's something I'm not really too fussed about. Other than that, the detail on these figures here, the grenade thrower, that's really nice. I love all of the uniform, and you've even got like a flag as well. If you wanted to, you could just pop this guy in the diorama. I have to say that these are really nicely detailed, a lot better than the last ones that I've seen. So I think these are going to be great to put into any sort of diorama anytime soon. Now, one thing I will say is that even though they've got great detail, I'm a little disappointed because I was hoping for a mini sprue of 4 extra figures that you would get, like with the other ones that we've seen, where you have unusual figures. Apart from that, I would say that I am still quite happy with what I see here. You've got a lot of officers, you've got that repeated throughout all the other sprues, and I think that would be really good, especially for building dioramas or building any vignettes that you decide to put together. Now, I would definitely say Orion Figures has done it again. They've outdone themselves with the uniqueness of these figures, and I think these would definitely be worth getting a hold of. I would say these are probably a little bit more interesting than the Italieri ones that I've already got, which are meant to represent the MVA. So guys, I would say go ahead and get these for sure if you're going to be doing anything on the Vietnam War, but I'll have plenty more to come. So until the next time, see you soon.